Hello people. Uh, Today I want to discuss an axis in more detail. Let's start from something practical. Let's create a sentry today. Sentry. Let's create a target. Make it smaller. Okay. Assign axis component. Initialize it. Good. Nothing fancy for now. Problem is our sentry can aim in 2 dimensions only. So if my target will go up or down, axis won't change its orientation. So we need to add additional one. Let's name it pitch axis. I want to make an asymmetrical sentry, so I'll shift my axis half meter right and half meter up, and this axis must be different, so I need to turn it like so, minus 90 degrees, and create additional axis component and set pitch axis to it, and the target, of course. Visual is too big. Reduce. Okay, so now we can do a look rotation. First axis takes yaw angle, and secondary axis takes pitch angle. But there is still a problem, because my sentry will miss the target if I will start shooting. To make that more clear, I will create a temporary object here and assign a mover component to it. Okay, everything's set. Reduce the visual. I don't need a mover here. I just added it so you can you can see that my sentry not aims the target properly. To fix that, we need to go here and take notice of this slide compensation field. Slide compensation is a parameter which controls how axis aiming the target. For example, if my target just in the same plane, and if my slide compensation equals to 0, this means that axis aims the target just straight forward. But I can change that by tinkering with that parameter. I can set it negative, and as you can see, axis aims the target in a different way. It aims target just as if target was shifted to the left side of the axis if this number is negative, or to the right side of an axis if this number is positive. This number is just a distance in meters. So to aim properly, I need to set that slide compensation 0.5, half a meter. It's just as my pitch axis is shifted by half meter. So now everything is set and my sentry aims perfectly. No matter where the target is, I'm always facing just at it. Okay, now we don't need our mover. I can safely delete that. And let's add some geometry. Okay, here's the base. Minus 0.1. Here's the base. Now add geometry for the pitch axis. Cylinder. 0.1. Scale looks good. Now let's add a sentry gun barrel. Let's make a cube. Scale it. Shift it. Okay. No. 75. Alright. And here we go. You can also disable draw visual if you don't like them. We don't need them anymore. Okay, our sentry works perfectly. I think that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.